And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. About an hour ago, a nice young man from Sunrun Energy was here. And he took the information. He's going to go back and talk to his design staff and come back tomorrow with a proposal for putting photovoltaic on the roof. He said it'll cost me and my landlord nothing. They'll put it up there. Of course, they own the photovoltaic stuff, and they say we'll get like a 30% reduction in our electric bill. I like that. Now it's just a matter of convincing my landlord that it's costing him nothing. You know, that's the hard part. Get the landlords to understand it costs you nothing, man. Just say yes. But there's another benefit I can see from that. When PG&E goes down during the winter, if there's any juice in these storage batteries, we don't freeze. Anyway, I'll talk to you about it tomorrow. Good night from California. Stay safe.